Hola everyone and welcome to my channel. Today will be an easy tutorial on how to get these Lady Gaga Fame perfume inspired nails perfect for the holidays or any fancy occasion. Let's get started. And just a disclaimer, I'll be using all hollow taco polish today, but this video is not sponsored. I bought all these products myself and I just really like Christine's products and I want to wish her a huge congratulations on her holiday launch. As usual, I'm going to start off with the Peely Base Coat by Hollow Taco. You can use a regular base coat, but I use this because I do nail art often, and it helps me remove my manicure much easier than using acetone. I'll leave links in the description down below to where you can find the products I am using today. Next, I'll be going in with the One Coat Black Polish by Hollow Taco. And I will say, if you have shorter nails, it would be a good idea to wipe a bit of the excess polish off of the brush into the nail polish tube. But if you have long nails, you should leave the nail brush coated because this polish is pigmented enough to cover in one stroke. But I wipe the excess polish off so it looks sheer, but it isn't. Once that was dry, I went in with the Super Glossy Taco by Hollow Taco to seal in the nail polish and make it as dry as possible because I'll be using nail foil next. Now I found this golden nail foil on Amazon and you can buy it pre-shredded, but I bought it in sheets which is a lot cheaper, and I shredded the foil into decently sized pieces, and what we will be doing today is placing the foil on the tip of your nail at a curved angle so it looks like the claw that is on the cap of the perfume bottle. This foil doesn't need any glue, but you can use foil glue or a clear polish to help it stick better to the nail, and I struggled a bit to place the foil on my dry nail. If there's any gaps or you want a cleaner line, you can get more foil and place it on the missing sections. And if there's any excess foil, you can use a cuticle pusher to remove it, and using a small cleaner brush with a bit of acetone to melt the excess foil underneath your nail. Once you're happy with the results, add a glossy top coat to seal in the foil. My favorite to use is the Glossy Taco by Hollow Taco. And voila! These are nails that look salon made. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, watch another video, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video every Monday and Friday. I'll leave a link to a playlist of my other nail art videos if you'd like to watch those. And I'll leave links to my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat if you'd like to follow me on there as well. I'll see you all very soon. Adios!